Momeni, Abshin, Sanbonat, Huyamore, and all this kind of stuff. This is still doing tutorials. This is still doing tutorials. Still a tutor, stuff like that. So since we don't have time, or rather we're running out of time. We're running out of time. But let me appreciate you guys for watching my videos, for following and doing all those kind of stuff. Keep in mind, I post longer videos on my YouTube channel, which is definitely, they say, doing tutorials on YouTube. Believe it makes sense. But this is still doing, and today I want us to work. We're going to work today. Good. Little Pazara say, man, giving some. Yeah, shooting a Manamaka, so Pazan and Ghana, so Pazan and Ghana. 7 guys.